Hello, this is Onika the Super Beauty, and I'll be demonstrating my light everyday makeup routine incorporating cucumber mint shea potion on my skin and my hair. Hope you enjoy. So right now I'm going to start with my face. I have nothing on my face. I'm fresh out the shower, just took a shower, and just washed my face with black soap. That's all I use on my face because, like I said in my previous videos, if you saw them, that I just got allergic to like almost everything, and I just want to live another lifestyle. Practice another lifestyle, which is with just more natural stuff, and I create them. I'm a part of creating natural things, so black soap is wonderful too. Anyway, the first thing I'll do is just moisturize my face with the Shea Potion, the cucumber mint Shea Potion. So, all right, let me open it. Okay, so you just rub it in your hand. It will melt. It will look, glossy. You just rub it on your face. I always prefer strokes up, always. Even when you go and get a facial, they're not stroking your face down. So always remember to stroke your face upwards. Do you see the glow already? Yeah, you start to get a glow. The shea butter, the perfect amount of coconut oil. Everything is organic too. The perfect amount of shea butter, coconut oil, almond oil, cucumber seed oil, and there are essential oils in it too. Right? And each one have different essential oils, so that it will have a wonderful scent and feeling to your liking. I'm pretty sure you like oil anyway. So that's in there. That's in there. Okay. And when I say in there is massaged in, I even massage on my eyelashes because it does grow. And I know that it's growing too. When it's growing, because it itches. It starts to itch and I'm like, ooh, and it's a sweet itch too. But I don't itch it too hard because I'm not trying to make, it bleed. So anywho, so the next thing I will do, I will just put on some eyeliner right over my eye. And you will see. Just put some eyeliner over my eyelids. I was trying to do it a little thinner, but of course, I don't know. I always make it thicker than it needs to be or thicker than I want. But anyway, I don't mind it thick too. So you can do it however you want. I just did it, regular. I didn't extend any wing, but you can extend wings if you want. Now I'm going to use the mascara. So basically all I have on is Shea Potion on my face, the eyeliner. Now I'm going to use a mascara just to lengthen my longish lashes, if you can see. Ooh, can you see over there? So I basically just put on mascara. So it's eyeliner, mascara. That's all I have on. And the last but not least, as far as face, I just put on some lip gloss. I always use color, so I usually like an orange or a pink, brown. Could be purple-ish, depending on what I feel like wearing. I'll try the orange this time. Yes, and that is already uplifting. Alright, so that's it for the lip gloss right there. So if you feel like using pink, you can use pink, but I just want to use orange. And I was exercising, I try to implicate exercising in my lifestyle, which is very necessary. And when you exercise, you sweat, and sweat comes with smells. So you have to at least keep your hair fresh some way, somehow. So while I'm greasing my scalp or moisturizing my scalp, I'm going to just be talking to you about the cucumber mint and the benefits and why it's great. So, where should I start? Some of the reviews I get, well, most of the reviews I get when clients use cucumber mint, they always say that it helps them fall asleep. Girl, I took a shower last night or a bath last night, and I used a cucumber mint, and oh my God, I fell right to sleep. I said, that's wonderful, because, you know, the mint is obviously going to relax you, and it's real pure mint. It's not no artificial anything. I'm not using artificial as far as healthy botanical oils. Anyway, what else? It feels great on your scalp, just cooling. It's just a nice cooling feeling. Cucumber is cool too, you know. Smells awesome, smells amazing, smells awesome, smells amazing. I have to emphasize. Have to, because smell is very important, especially when you're using something on you every day or every other day or whatever. You know, your hair and your skin, come on, it's got to smell good. So you get a nice smell and it's refreshing. You'll feel the coolness. You will feel it. You know, it's not just talk. I'm not just talking. You can use it every day. If you're a person that just obsessed with greasing your scalp, you can use it every day. I definitely use it every day on my skin. I have to. I have to, and I have no complaints. I don't have to use no extra sunscreen for anything or whatever the case is. Because shea butter is natural. Has natural sunscreen in it. So hopefully more than me knows that. Anyway, dark spots. Dark spots. If you have a lot of dark spots, perfect, perfect, perfect. Come on and try it. Like I said in one of my, I know I said this before, but anyway, like I said in one of my other videos, I love to pick. I'm always picking at any pimple, any spot, even if I get a cut. Even if I get a cut, that scab better not let me. It's that critical. It's that critical. That scab better heal quick. But I'm not going to pick it if it is not ready to be picked. But anyway, why am I talking about that? But anyway, if you want, if you would like, you know, dark spots to go away, Shea Potion, use it every day. Every day, every day. You can use it more than once if you want. Every day, and you will see the results without no bleaching cream. I hate bleaching creams. Not hating on anyone that uses it, but it's not my thing. Not my thing. There's other things that could be done, could be used that's natural. There's always a natural alternative to whatever you want. Whatever you want, whatever you looking to achieve is natural alternatives. Right? Healthy, natural, whatever. Okay, so I just grease my scalp, and make sure you rub some on the hair too. So everybody will smell, okay, that smells much better. And then, you know, with the breeze blowing to, at least when somebody get a whiff of your hair, they don't gotta be like, they'll be like, that smells amazing. Yeah, so what did I do? Oh, my eyebrows, I don't do nothing to it. I just use Shea Potion and straighten it, or I just brush it back or whatever. But today I ain't doing nothing, so it's only the eyeliner, mascara, and lip gloss. So the next thing is what? Oh, I gotta fix my edges. Okay, so this is basically the ending of the video. I'm gonna only fix one side. Because I'm not going anywhere as yet, or I'm not going anywhere right now. Right? I don't really want to put baby hairs, but I'll put like what's older than a baby? A toddler hair? I'm joking. Just little waves or whatever you want to call it, swoop wave, whatever. I can't just leave it just like that. So, and that's it. That is it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, even though you're still a little unsure about Shea Potion, or you're just wondering, you know, more information. But hopefully this video helped you understand and want to try and use. There's no side effects, so come on over. You go to the pharmacy and buy products with a whole bunch of things, chemicals that you're not supposed to be using. You know, why not use something natural that is going to benefit you and it's worth your money? Anyway, thanks for being here. See you next time.